Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by going into Devices keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now click on Voice Typing and tap on the gray sweater next to Use Voice Typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Then, after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!